We are at IMTS 2024, about to head over to the Kennametal booth to talk with Scott about the new products that they are showcasing at this year's show. Let's get in there to learn more. Hello everyone, we are at IMTS 2024 in the Kennametal booth, and here with me is Scott. Scott, why don't you introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about the history of Kennametal.
Hi everybody, my name is Scott Etling. I'm a Vice President of Global Product Management of Kennametal. And my responsibility is to make sure that Kennametal has a broad breadth of products that competes in all the applications in every market segment. Kennametal has started in 1938 in Latrobe, Pennsylvania, so we've been in business for 86 years serving the metal cutting industry.
That is awesome, and you guys are an industry leader in tooling. Everybody knows you are, everyone using your tools. What's the competitive edge that Kennametal brings to the market?
Without a doubt is our people and our knowledge of our people. Our sales guys are not sales guys, they're engineers delivering value to the customers. In addition to that is our technology. We have some of the best material science that goes into our substrates and our coatings and our engineerings of our geometries of our tools. So it's a complete package. We deliver market-leading products, and we have sales guys that know how to deliver value to our customers.
And with that sales process, I know it's really important to pick the right tool for the right application. What are some of the things that your salespeople go through when they are considering an application and what type of tooling to apply?
Yeah, our sales guys will do the homework, right? They understand our customers, they understand what tools to use and what materials. They understand the machine tools they use. They'll look at the fixturing, they'll look at the horsepower of the machines, and they understand what our customers want to do, right? Do our customers want to have the tools run longer? They'll pick a different tool. If they want to make more productivity, they can change the programming and add different tools and bring them to the customers.
And with the different industries that you guys are selling into in the manufacturing space, I know recently you're really getting into the medical industry. Do you want to talk about what types of tools and things you guys are doing to bring that edge to the market? Yeah,
so the medical decision for Kennametal was easy, right? We are very, very good at machining high temp alloy materials, titaniums and Inconels and those type of materials. Those go into aircrafts and the aerospace industry and others. Those are some of the same type of materials that are used in medical.
Sure.
The tools fail the same way, so we just apply that same technology, change the style of the tools to match the medical market.
Awesome, and I know you are showcasing some of those tools here. Do we want to start on this side?
Of course. So over to the left, Kennametal's been into turning forever, since 1938, right? So in the last 5 years, we've been introducing five new grades, and 2 new geometries for the turning market. We're happy to introduce here at IMTS 2024 a new PVD versatile grade called KCU 25B. It basically can be used everywhere, and when a tool can get, let's say the tool life was 100, our new tools will be able to get to 120 or 130. So we're talking about 20 or 30% higher productivity, and it's more reliable. So if a customer is very comfortable using our tools because they realize that with the modernization investments Kennametal made a few years ago is bringing more reliability to our products for our customers. We also are displaying KM. Kennametal was one of the first in the industry to come up with quick change tooling going back in 1980. We have a big push on KM. It's a productivity booster for our customers, especially as there's harder and harder to get our employees to run machines. Quick change tooling can do that offset.
Now, I want to pause you real quick to talk about the quick change tooling, because I know, when it comes to manufacturing and bringing a process together, all the time factored into making that one part is time that can be saved.
Exactly.
What type of time savings are you guys getting with the quick tool changing?
Yeah, and it all depends. And the real beauty of quick change tooling is you do the tool setters offline.
Okay.
So you put the tool setter, you put the KM tool with an insert and a tool setter, and you record those the offsets.
Okay.
So when you have to switch over on a machine, you just pop into KM and it's ready to go. So that's the real saving. It's the setup. Setup piece of it.
Okay, awesome. And then what's the next product that we're going to be showcasing?
We're going to talk about the Harvi 2TE. Harvi 2TE is a solid carbide end mill. It's got 5 flutes, and it's the second iteration of the Harvi 1TE. We launched the Harvi 1TE 5 years ago. Everybody has a 4 flute. We're really proud of that because the sales were incredible. It can ramp, this tool, the Harvi 2TE, has 5 flutes compared to 4. So automatically it's 25% higher productivity with the feed rate. it can ramp at 45 degrees. So our customers can pocket with an end mill and do the roughing applications and finishing that it needs. So the last 3 or 4 years, we've been launching end mill after end mill, launched a new grade, and our customers are really benefiting. It's probably one of our best product lines. Even in the complete portfolio, I just mentioned the turning grade, we got an end mill, so we can go down the line. For example, the next product is a BT KV30 tool holder. We realize that a lot of smaller machines, customers are using the BT30. With our hydraulic chuck, you can imagine, you can see that very 40 times D drill in there that's being able to hold in a BT30 tool holder.
Yeah, that's impressive.
Just a couple more. We introduced the Drill Fix Pro. It's a steel body with indexable inserts, typically used in roughing applications on lathes, on machines. Kennametal has a strong history in our solid carbide round tools, meaning our solid carbide drills. We introduced a Ken drill. It's a micro drill a couple years ago. We continue to do the deep hole drills, and of course, Kennametal has always been a leader. We launched KSEM first. This is the Ken Tip FS. It's where a steel body is, where a modular carbide tip is on the front of it. Yeah. And it allows our customers, instead of buying a complete solid carbide drill that costs more, they can just buy a carbide tip and reuse it often.
Very good.
Our latest addition is Top Swiss MBS, and it supports our medical small parts initiative. And basically, it's a solid carbide inserts that are used to do micro boring, micro grooving, all those applications that are used in medical and small parts. Finally, I'll just end with indexable milling. You know, in every application, in every mill that you need to face off the surface or bring it to size, Kennametal offers a wide variety of products to do 90-degree shoulder milling, 12 cutting edges on our Dodeca platform. We just introduced a new high positive geometry in our Dodeca, because as customers buy smaller machines or not as engaged in how to do the clamping and stuff, anything we can do to help our customers lower the cutting forces, we do that in our geometries of our inserts.
Very good. And we just talked about so much new product that you guys just came out with. One of the things that popped in my mind is, how do you guys test these tools before you put them into market? Yeah,
for example, our Ken Gold new turning products, right? That's our new turning brand. We launched KCB25C. In our labs in Latrobe, in Fürth, Germany, and Bangalore, India, we'll buy materials and we test them how the tools fail. We don't test them on customer parts. So we'll test for things like called depth of cut notching or crater wear or nose wear. And we'll test against competitors, who's the best in the market, until we're satisfied that we have a new market-leading product to bring value to the customers. And then we'll go out to the field and test with our customers, and we'll start trying to learn how these tools wear or machine in a real-world application.
Awesome. Well, Scott, thanks so much for being with us. This was a breadth of knowledge, and I'm sure our customers are going to be really excited about the new tooling that Kennametal is bringing to the market. If somebody is interested, outside of being here at the show, where can they find Kennametal and more information on the new tooling you guys are offering?
Yeah, absolutely. Kennametal.com. Go to our website. We have a large sales force, a large distribution partners. Kennametal is a dominant brand in Americas, and we're really proud of that.
Awesome. Thanks so much for being with us. And be sure to stop at the Kennametal booth here at IMTS 2024. Thanks. We'll see you next time.